Hi there guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to activate your RouterCAM plugin. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. So now what we want to do with the activation, obviously we will get extra features unlocked, so there'll be more things we can do in that. So once you've obtained your serial number, then what you can do is with the actual plugin open here on the right, like we showed in the previous video. If you don't have it open, you go to tools and you make sure you've got RouterCAM enabled here. Then we're going to click on this little icon on top of the thing to go to the settings. So once we've clicked that, we've got this dialog box and we've got a few tabs here. So what we want to do is we're going to go to the info tab, and then under the info tab we've got some more information about the program. Got license agreement, license information, and then we have activate license. So if I zoom in here, then you guys can see it. So it is the last option on the list. You simply click that and it will pop up the box where you can add your license. I'm just going to black out mine so you guys do not see it. Put in your license key, then you click next. Then as you can see at the bottom, it says your activation successfully. Then you can simply just close that up, and then your program is activated. So I'm just going to say save, and then there you go. Program is now activated, so now you have the full version. And as you can remember before, at the bottom here it said trial version, no longer says it. And also if you click here, it no longer says behind it trial version. So that is how you activate your actual RouterCAM plugin. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.